ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Support my channel even more by sharing my videos, watching a playlist, commenting, and don't forget to like. What on earth are we going to do with an old scrubbing brush and an old toothbrush? First, we're gathering our gouache paint into a tray, and then we're going to start picking up that paint with the brushes and scrubbing it onto the paper. I really love the texture and movement that these brushes are adding to the piece. Using the old toothbrush, I've now added in a tree, and I'm doing now blossom with the toothbrush. And now it's finished. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.